As spiritual warriors, we cannot be ashamed of our identity. We have to make ourselves known. We have to shape our persona around people knowing who we are. People that don't sin, people that oppose sin, people that don't like sinning, people that go in the direction actively in the spirit, that can see with their, so to speak, their third eye, that act in that direction of peacemaking and justice and fairness and all that good stuff in our actions, thoughts, and words, because all this is energy and it's going towards either contributing to the evil of the devil and making the world a harder place to live in, or a more better place to live in, and a more peace loving and holy world where everyone is spiritually happy, everyone is spiritually peaceful inside. Truly, we're all spiritually connected in this world, and therefore, we can't be ashamed. We can't be one person around, these people, another person around these people. For example, around these people, you're like this sinner guy, but then around these people, you're like this holy, righteous, Bible reading Christian who goes to church. It's like that's living a double life. But even beyond that, going into a chat room, you shouldn't be hiding your face and acting like you're this other type of person. People will hate you for being a light worker. People will hate you for following Jesus. People will hate you for spreading, trying to fight in the name of truth and peace and holiness. But just because they do that, that just shows about what they are, not about what you are. In your heart, you're trying to go in that good direction. You're trying to prevent your own suffering in the long run from karma biting you in the butt. So what are you trying to do? Everybody has to have this identity. Shape your identity. Like, you want to be the wise guy, the cool guy, the musician, the one who's really good at mathematics. It's like, no, you don't want to know, you don't want to be all that. What you really got to shape your persona around is the most important thing in life. Somebody who fights for holiness. And I don't mean fight physically, I mean actually spiritually go in that direction and let other people know what you stand for. You stand for justice, peace, holiness, divine heavenly stuff, or divine stuff manifesting in the earth and in heaven and stuff like that. That's what your message be. So don't be ashamed of your identity as a spiritual warrior, as a light worker. In fact, your whole entire eternity, because you are eternal as a soul, your whole eternity, if you could pick one thing really to think about, what would you call it about? If you're wise, in my opinion, I think I would want to be known as the spiritual warrior, the light worker, the one who lives the way that God knows is best for that person to live.